Today we're here and we're going to do a special unboxing video. This is the Warrior Princesses gear that just came in. We're joined by Dawnie J from Home Depot. Go ahead, Dawn, and show us what we got.
Okay, safety first. We're going to cut away from the side.
All right, the anticipation's building.
Okay, so we're going to open one of these up. And as you can see,
Oh my goodness.
has the Warrior Princesses logo there. We have our hope ribbon here.
Nice.
And there are initials of the girls in the ribbon.
Nice.
Nova and Denver. And then on the back,
Oh wow, this turned out so awesome.
we have their images. Fight for a Cure, warriorprincesses.org.
Oh wow, those are awesome. All right, I can't wait to see the hoodies.
Okay, so let's do,
You could probably pull that one off the table.
that one will be mine. So we're gonna save that.
Zach, are they labeled?
I know what that one is. Okay, so here is a gray, one of the gray hoodies. And then as you can see, we've got the Purple Hope ribbon. And then what we also have is we have Warrior on the sleeve.
Nice.
And then we also have Warrior Princesses.
Oh wow, that is so awesome. I can't wait to see that in purple.
And let's see here. Here's one of the gray shirts. And again, you can see the Purple Hope ribbon. We have the Warrior Princesses. And then Fight for a Cure on the website.
That's so awesome. Okay, not gonna lie, those turned out really good.
Yes, they did.
Shout out to Printful, our partners.
Then we're gonna open
The purple hoodie. Oh wow.
So here we have the Purple Hope ribbon. We have Warrior on the sleeve,
Oh, that's awesome.
and then on the back we have Warrior Princesses.
Okay, those are amazing shirts. All right, and then the last one, the one we've been
Last.
looking for.
But not least, these are for our little warriors, Nova and Denver. This is the children's size.
Oh my goodness.
You see we have the Hope ribbon there. The Warrior Princesses. And then on the back, theirs is extra special. Because they
Are the warriors. Okay, that's awesome. Thank you, honey. You did great. Thank you very much.